Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make phone, earphone and pen holder using waste materials. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Adriti's Home. Let's roll some newspapers. Now draw and cut 4 elephant shaped cardboards and join 2 of them together. Please make sure the trunk of the elephant should be around in 45-degree angle, which will maintain the center of gravity, which will balance the holder properly. Now take some white glue, that is craft glue, and dilute it with water and cover the cardboard with newspaper pieces. Here elephant length is around 8 inch and height is around 4.5 inch. Now cut the rolled newspapers into pieces. Length will be around 5 inch. Take half inch extra than the height of the elephant. Now take a glass and glue all the newspaper cuttings around the glass. Here I am using this hot glue gun between these sticks just to make sure the structure is strong enough. Now the basic structure is ready, so we can start decorating it. am attaching this cardboard so that I can keep another phone vertically. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel Adriti's Home. Please give your suggestion and ideas in comment section below. Thank you for watching.